Today I'm going to show you what you need to do a pop-up shop, flea market, or a marketplace. Me and my mom own an online boutique where we do pop-ups weekly. Pop-ups are a great way to get sales, of course, interact, and get content. So the first thing you would need is an easy up tent. Make sure it's an easy up, because if it's not, it's going to come with tools and no one has time to really set up like that. Personally, I prefer a tent that I can do by myself if needed. Usually events only accept 10 by 10, or they give you an option for 10 by 20, but you have to pay additional fees for that because, of course, it's a bigger tent. Sometimes big events like Fest would tell you that you need an all-white tent, so keep that in the back of your mind. But so far, it's okay to have any color tent. You will need weights for this tent as well. If it's windy, the tent will blow or even fly in the air. I have seen it happen. Now, let's talk about tables, chairs, fixtures, and mannequins and all that good stuff. Make sure everything is foldable, easy to pick up, lightweight. That's what you need to be looking for, because keep in mind when you're packing up and it's late and you're tired, you've been working all day, you just want to go home. So you want everything to be easy to pack up, easy to fold, and just in case you have to do it by yourself, because being an entrepreneur is doing things by yourself. So keep that in the back of your mind. Majority of everything that I have is from Amazon or Home Depot. I do not recommend you get a cash register. Unless you have employees or you're going to have somebody consistently being at your booth, then maybe that's okay. But like I said, I do not recommend it. I recommend getting a fanny pack or a purse. Make sure you have change. If you go to the bank, they can give you a change for $100. Get a card reader. I'll have a link for the one I have if you want one. It's an option to have a card reader because a lot of people do not carry cash. So keep that in the back of your mind. Now, once you get a customer, you make a sale, you need shopping bags, a gift bag or whatever. On Amazon, it's $50 for $20. Or you can shop around to get anything cheaper, because doing events like this is costly. When you pay for the vendor fee, you paying for your inventory and the fixtures, everything costs. So keep that in back of your mind as well. And here's other vendors so you guys can get an idea of how they set up, just give you some ideas and all that. But that is it on all my tips. I hope it was very helpful for you. And I want you to remember this. Not every pop-up will be successful. Personally, we've been in pop-ups where we didn't make a dime. And that's a hard day when you don't make a dime and you put all this effort into it. But you cannot give up.